家风情
Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情每日一课语。
Hey, what's up? It's time for Daily Hakka here on ICRT.
Hello， 好，大家好，我係美長。
Hello， 你好，大家好，我係 Joseph Ling。這個月就是要過年了呀，農曆年。Let's teach you phrases about spending Lunar New Year's holiday. First of all, 過年怎麼說？
過年。
過年 Okay, that's to spend the New Year's holiday. And during this time, of course, people go home for reunions, right? 春節呢要回家鄉與家人團圓，來教一下咯。
過年愛進家鄉，
過年愛進家鄉，
老屋家人團圓。
老屋家人團圓。
很好。
團圓就是團圓嘛，
對，團圓。
Let's have a reunion. 不過我剛剛聽到家人，是不是有個特別的詞啊？
屋下人，屋家人。
屋家人就是屋頂下面的這群人就是家人了。
大家都是這個屋子裡面的一家人。
That is so cool. Because you live under the same roof, so you're family. OK, 然後另外一個會問的問題就是春節過年啊，放長假要出國玩嗎？要好，對，這是應該可能會問同學或者是同事們。
你要出國玩嗎？
對啊，你已經出國過了，所以今年在台灣過了啊。Are you gonna spend time abroad for a holiday during New Year's?
過年了按久。
過年了按久。
愛出國去了麼？
愛出國去了麼？
懂哦。
就是要去玩嗎？了，將來了 that's to play. Okay, let's teach you some of the phrases we brought up, including 團圓怎麼說？
團圓。
團圓 that's reunion. Family 屋下人嘛。
屋家人。
屋家人 And finally, to spend New Year's 過年。
過年。
過年 And I hope you have a jolly one. Thank you so much for listening.
什麼大家？
俺子 say 將來了。
客家風情由客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.